wanna taste best bread in Japan? Before going to this bakery, let's take a look at this Zacro's website. This is like an online menu that they will deliver their selection of bread from Hokkaido to Okinawa, all of the Japans. So if you don't live nearby, they will be able to deliver and you'll be able to taste this bread, amazing taste of the bread. But if you like to have like a fresh one, this is some menus. You have to come to the Yokosuka to get them. So these are the selection of French, regular bread, milk, and what they call a ciabatta type of pizza, and the sweets, and the specialty of a sandwich, and their combo menus. So my recommendation is get the Zacro special and maybe 1 or 2 pieces of fruits. So these are the selections. Amazingly, they have all kinds of selections too. So as you can see, there are so many selections. And because of their specialty is they created their own yeast. They spend 10 hours to make their own dough to make each the bread. This is makes their bread specialty. When you bite it, you take the chewiness you never experienced before. This is a different type of bread. This is a sweet potato and the fruits, and this is like a blueberry and 4 different type of fruits and apple. The second row is walnuts and raisins, soaked with butter, cornbread, the matcha and black bean and chocolate chip inside. Pretty good, pretty amazing, isn't it? So let's take a look at the sweets. See, look at this. This is the mango on the top, and this is a different dish: apricot, dark cherry, the apples and blueberry, and this is called jamando. There are the 3 or 4 layer of the bread and the chewiness bread, the different type of the rusk. And ciabatta, what it looks like. This is a different type of bread. They make their own. This is like a crunchiness of the cheese one. This is like a pizza. The top ones are tomato, mozzarella, vegetable, and bacons, and mushrooms, and roll and slice of hams, shrimp and broccoli, and Saturday, Sunday, holiday special with 4 mix of cheese on the top. This is the one in come with like a special combo menu of the Zacro special combo sandwich. Usually come with the bottom ones. This is a pizza type of the bread inside the cheese inside the grilled. So take a look at what the sandwich they have. They have a basil chicken and camembert, and the next one is the tandoori chickens and the egg, slice of egg, and the salmon and the cream cheese, the veggies and the bacons, and the smoked salmon, smoked chickens and dried tomato, the ham with the pepper ham, pork pepper hams and slice of tomatoes, Italian sausage, slice of sausage and dried tomato, specialty of the raw hams and the fruits sand. And come down to, there's another, the Thai and the sliced hams and camemberts, and this is like a rolled ham, and just a simply one. This is like a raw hams and gorgonzola cheese and walnuts. Pour at the honey on top of it. So these are a different kind of focaccia sandwich. This is only the sare, only the egg roll sandwich. Slice it. This is like a next one is a tuna salad, and this is all kinds of like a sandwich for 3 to 4 people if you like to have it. Maybe here this is like a more like a party menu. So my recommendation is I just mentioned the Zacro special because they have a half size of a 2 they have a sandwich. Let's say the A set come with pepper, pork, ham, slice it, and the slice of tomatoes. This is a basil, like a chickens, and a camembert in the middle. And the next one is what they call croque mush. What they call their specialty of pan made like a pizza. And in the inside, 2 pan made, which is like a two pieces of like bread, inside of cheese and tomato sauce on the top. This is like a special. This is a sweet called zamando. This is a 3-4 layer of like a bread inside. The one which I pick up for today, there was just a sweet potato on inside. This is pretty good. So having this 2 sides, this is like a B1's slice of like a salmon and the cream cheese. This is a tandoori chickens, slice of egg, and the same thing. This is the same one, croque mush, the specialty of pizza, and zamando on the sweet on the top. This is like a veggie. C set is on veggie and slice of tomatoes. And this one, dried tomato and slice of another slice of smoked chickens and the dried tomatoes. And above the same, like the pizza specialty, croque mush, the specialty pizza, and the zamando inside. So let's say like if you want to taste it, there is no similarity. Like if you want to taste them all, you can get the A through C. Then you'll be able to taste it 6 different types of sandwich. And if you find the one specialty, you can go for okay, these are the sweet. I usually buy it along with a sandwich. See what they have in the selections. So this is what they have at the same. This is the best bakery. Not only in Yokosuka, I could say this is the best bakery in Japan. Once you taste it, you're gonna keep coming back to this bakery to keep having their bread. Amazing their taste. So after review their bread, so I mean inside of their shop, as you can see, you're not gonna see all kinds of bread. So the best way you call them ahead to get the bread and the specialty combo sando. So what I asked her is when they are going to run away, because their combo special is very popular that it run quickly. So best way is I have to call ahead to make reservations. So I guess I was parked the car about 30 minutes away from this like a bakery, but it was too late. The like a specialty sandwich is gone, and also the sweets, the 2 different kind of sweets is gone too. So this is my first day of the visit. So what I had is 2 different kind of sandwich, and whatever they have, the sweets there, that's what I can get. So you see, they have all kinds of the bread, but if you know the bread, what you like to have it. So check the website, call ahead. You can call in the day before and tell them like what time like you're gonna visit this like bakery, maybe in the morning or in the afternoons. So this is like the best way to get the whatever the bread and combo menu you'd like to have it. So the one you see is like a specialty sandwich, but you see it's almost gone. You don't have that much selections at all. So now you can see this is like a bakery is so popular that all kinds of breads run away very quickly. Like I said, like if you like to have like some specialty of the bread, call ahead and come there. This is the one I got it since I got this is the smoked chickens and the dry tomato in the middle. This became my dinner because I wanted to keep it. This is another one, the smoked chickens and I think a slice of tomatoes, and this became the supper because I couldn't wait because I had to drive away 50 kilometer away from it, which is like around 30 miles. So it's gonna be a long drive there. So this is like a sweet. I pick it up there. So I will make the different video to show it to you what the taste look like. This is what they call a zamando. This is my second trial to visit the Zacro bakery. This time I called there ahead the day before to make a reservation on the combo menus and the other sweets and the bread. So this is my combo menus. So you can see this is like a zamando is the fruit and the two type of like the specialty of sandwich and the croque-monsieur and the pizza bread. So pretty good, isn't it? Yeah. This is one of them. This is another one. I pick it up. So having two, I can like cut in the middle, so I can have like a full bread in once. So this is another piece of the bread, and the same thing, but having two different combo set, or good to taste all four different bread. So this is a sweet, like a dark cherry on the left, and the pears on this ones. This looks good too. So this is the same thing. You have to make a reservation, otherwise you won't be able to get this one. Along with it, I purchased this one. This inside is the green beans as a bacon, and this is like I think it was like a chewy taste, and this was a pretty good one too. And another one I bought. This is like a blueberry and inside, and also the cream cheese inside. So when you cut in the middle, when you taste it, because of the specialty, the specialty of making their own yeast, the spending 10 hours to make a roll, it tastes very chewy. So, and the last one I got, this is like a chestnut bread. I never seen such a chestnut bread. So inside there's plenty of chestnut inside, and because of the chewiness, I had the pretty good type. I have a pretty good day of eating this one. Now you know the secret of Zacro Bakery. I'm not crazy because I was there on October 5th. And I went back after 4 days later to simply to grab my combo sandwich and the sweet and 3 types of bread. So as I tell you so many times, once you taste their bread, you are going to be so addicted the chewiness of the taste. So Zacro is number one, is the best bakery in Japan, not only in Yokosuka, all over Japan. So when you have a chance to taste their bread, you are going to be so addicted to. So I'm on my way home after long drive for 50 kilometers, which is like 31 miles away. Well, good night everyone, and have a fun eating this one when you find it. Bye.